2017 to 2019 Subaru Impreza USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2017 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB and aux input jack right here. It's just one whole little unit for both of these. It's not too bad, but you do got to remove the center console a little bit. So what you want to do is you want to get a pry bar in here. We're going to pull up the center console a little bit. You can actually grab it too if you have a strong grip and just kind of wiggle it and pull it straight upwards like this. You don't want to like rip it up because you're going to break stuff. But just kind of gently pull it up so you can get up like that. If you have a plastic pry bar interior tool, you can get in here like this to kind of help you separate it from the other center console part. I'll link this tool below. And then you just want to kind of wiggle and pull this upwards because you're trying to get to that little orange component right there. So I put my little pry bar like this to hold it up, and then I'm going to reach in here and disconnect these two connectors. There's a black one and a white one. A small flathead is the best for this. You can just kind of reach in and then push the center button down on the white one and push it backwards like this. Or you could use your hands if you have smaller fingers. I just have fat fingers, so I can't do it. And then the black one it's kind of harder to get off. You kind of got to like get in there with like a little flathead and kind of pry it back a little bit to undo it. Here's what they look like. Now, when we have that done, we want to reach in here. There's two little clips on the top and bottom of this that you're going to push down, and then you're going to push the USB forward like that. You can kind of see the little clips there. They're not really clips, they're just like little locking tabs, but just reach in there, compress those, and push it forward on the front and the bottom. It should pop forward, and then you just grab it. Here's the part number. This is a Subaru part number. At the moment, they don't sell this on Amazon. They sell ones that are very similar, but they're not the right ones. So you have to go to a Subaru parts dealer website. I'll link one below. It's like 29 bucks, and it's a 17 to 19 Imprezas it fits. But when we get our new one, all you want to do is you just want to unwrap it, come pop it in place right here, and then all you got to do is plug the two connectors in. The black one just kind of, it only goes in like one way, so you just kind of like put it in, push it in place, make sure it gets in all the way, and then the white one will just line it up and push it in, and then it also goes in one way only as well. So just like that. So you push those in, and then that's pretty much it. And then you got to put your center console back to how it was. You just want to kind of slowly lower this down, make sure all those little tabs line up to the little holes that they were in, and then like some of them have little white clips on them. Just kind of line them up and just kind of go down and push this back into place. You can kind of like, once you get it lined up perfectly, you can kind of tap on it to push it in place, and then that's it. You don't have to reprogram your radio or nothing. You should be good to go. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off. Pretty good.